Bring in Skye Lazaro, criminal defense attorney. This is the question I always ask, Skye. It's a huge decision for a criminal defendant of a murder case to decide whether or not to testify. You know this case. You know how bizarre it is. You know the uphill climb the defense had. Good idea for her not to take the stand?
I would agree with that. Whether or not her defense lawyers counseled her to make that decision, ultimately, that's one of the few decisions she gets to make on her own. But given her actions after she was interviewed and going to Costa Rica and then her attempted escape, I don't know that anything good comes of cross-examination for her.
No, you're right. That's the whole issue, right? It's all, you know, unicorns and dreams when your own lawyer is asking the questions and then comes the cross, and that's blistering at times. But I do have to ask you this. Jurors don't know everything that you know about the system. They just are curious. They just feel like the answers and the mysteries should be solved for them while they're sitting there listening to this week or 2 week long story. So do you think that it leaves them with a bad taste in their mouth, even though they're told they can't hold it against the defendant if the defendant doesn't testify? Deep down, do you think they get a gut feeling like she's holding something back? There must be something wrong there.
I think that's probably right, Ashleigh. I think jurors probably do feel that way, especially in a case like this where the defense has kind of alluded to some alternative theory through their experts, but there's nobody to essentially place her there as an eyewitness. So I'm sure the jury is left asking, well, where were you and what were you doing if you weren't there?
Right. What's your story with all this bizarro stuff? Let's hear from the person at the center of it all, the star witness, who's not going to take the stand. So the other question, obviously, at this stage of the game, before they hit closings, is did the defense, or did the prosecution, rather, did the prosecution meet its burden? I mean, it's always a big burden. It has to be reasonable doubt, you know, but it's not beyond all question of a doubt. So did they get there?
That's correct. Ultimately, that's the question for the jury that they're going to have to answer. In a case like this, where it's highly circumstantial as far as evidence goes, I think they probably put forth everything they had, you know, but it's hard to say what a jury will think.
What did you think about that little piece of business with the helmet? I mean, I think that was kind of the strongest thing that they had in their quiver to bring out with 4 defense witnesses. Here comes Colin Strickland, another star witness, to suggest that Mo and Kaitlin shared a helmet, and hence the transfer DNA could have easily gotten to the bicycle.
I think that was the strongest evidence they put forth. There's 2 things you have to answer when you're talking about DNA, and it's whose DNA is it and how did it get there? You know, they can answer whose it is, but when you look at transfer DNA, it's, you know, it's widely accepted by the community and provides an alternative theory for how DNA got there without someone actually touching something. So that, on top of the fact that Colin Strickland did not want to be there for the defense, I think it makes it even more compelling because he did not want to help them.
No, it was very reluctant, and you know, he grudgingly, you know, had to admit, I did share the women and I did share the helmet. Skye Lazaro, it's good to have you. Thanks for your analysis. Do appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.